quickly show you how to get this textured, distressed kind of look with an embossing folder and an ink pad. So real simple and easy. So I'm actually going to use the wood look embossing folder and a piece of craft paper. And then I'm just gonna run it through my die cut machine. So I'm gonna go over and do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've run this through the die cut machine here. And now we have an actual textured piece of craft paper that looks like wood. So let me set this aside. And I've got my piece of scratch paper here. And all we're gonna do is I'm gonna use linen. And we're gonna use the side where, well, this one it doesn't much matter, but the embossing, this is raised, this is not raised. So we're gonna use the not raised side. Just take your ink pad and literally with it flat, run it right across the top. And what's brilliant about this is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be just messy and there you go. Pretty cool. And you know, with the ink pads, they only take seconds to dry. And all of a sudden, there you go, textured wood. Looks fantastic.